Let's say you want to stack a bunch of 3D printable objects so you could 3D print them in one go. You may have heard of the PETG support method, but I have a better way. Here's how to design your own custom interface layer so you can stack 3D prints, print them, and they peel apart effortlessly. So here we have a tan or white object. Go ahead and extrude a surface off the top of that. This is going to be our interface layer, and it should be at least 2 layers thick. So in this case, I'll extrude the top surface of the object by 0.5 millimeters, and I'll make sure it creates a new object. Next, go ahead and create a sketch on our interface object, and go ahead and make some sort of tab shape. All right, and so far it's looking pretty good. Now let's go ahead and round these corners. Now this is not really necessary, but I think it makes the tab a little bit nicer. Next, go ahead and create a sacrificial support block underneath the tab like so. We'll need this to force the interface layer to be a certain height, and it also supports this cantilever. Now it's super important that this sacrificial support block is its own object as well. Now all you have to do is pattern everything up to create duplicates of the objects, and you can do as tall of a stack as you want. Now here's the trick. First, export as an STL just the boards. And then next, go ahead and export all the interface layers, including the sacrificial blocks. So now we should only have 2 STL files, the boards and the custom interfaces, including the support blocks. Next, go ahead and drag the 2 STL files into Bamboo Studio and select load as a single object. That's very important. Now right click on everything and go to split and go split into objects. Next, only select the interface and sacrificial blocks, right click, go to split, and then go into split into parts. Now go ahead and change from the global process to the objects process, where you change the filament for each object in your scene here, and go ahead and change all of the flat interface objects to PETG. In this case, my PETG is orange. So now what we've basically done is we've created our own custom PETG interface layer with sacrificial support blocks for the tab, and we're minimizing the number of filament changes that need to happen for this print, so we actually don't sacrifice very much print time at all. Hope this helps. My name is Steven, and happy printing.